Hey everyone, this is Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. Thanks so much for tuning in. This video is going to be a memory spread using this Happy Soul kit from Miss and Meow. This is the first Miss and Meow kit that I'm using, and I honestly can't believe it's taken me so long to actually use one of her kits. But here we are. I was so excited to use this kit because first of all, it's absolutely just like freaking gorgeous. The colors of the kit are so fun. They feel like the kit feels so boho, but still very like feminine and just super pretty. I mean, I'm just obsessed with the florals and just the bolder colors. Like there's like a seafoam green, some like brighter purples that I'm used to, and yeah, just it's just really a beautiful kit. And this week is the week of May 31st to June 6th. I don't know why I couldn't say that, but this is the week of mine and my boyfriend's 4-year anniversary. Yep. So I wanted to use this kit to commemorate that. I just thought it was um just I mean, yeah, I just wanted to use an absolutely stunning kit for this week. So this kit definitely did not disappoint. I love what I did here in the sidebar. I'm just obsessed with that big bouquet of florals there. So I just paired that and layered that with one of the scallop circles from the kit, and then that June script is from Lilac Luna Plans, and those heart clusters are from The Giving Girl. Below that is a divider from the Pretty Pink Co., a full box, then just a scallop label type of thing from the kit, and a swooshie from Alyssa's Craft Shop. I pulled in a kind of heart box, and I think that's from a freebie from Bloom Paper Studio just to mark 4 years with some deco from the kit, and then I'm just putting down like a full box checklist and a this week header just because I didn't know what else to put there. Another one of those dividers, and then some more heart clusters. These are from Honey Inked. Okay, so the full boxes did have a double box scene, and in those cases I like to have them together on Wednesday and Thursday. So like the double box scene is together, but they're not really together, right? Because they're separated by the coil. I don't know, it makes sense in my head. That's kind of just like what I always do for double box scenes. But yeah, then just trying to disperse the rest of the full boxes and disperse like the colors throughout the spread. I initially used the seafoam green confetti headers, but I just felt like it was just too much green. So I pulled in the peach today headers instead. I just didn't like how like dark those green headers were making the spread. Even though like I love the pops of green, I wanted them to be pops, right? I didn't want them to be like everywhere. Okay. So Monday was Memorial Day. I cut down the label from the kit just to make it like to have some white space on either side. And then, yeah, I pulled in a dumbbell from Paper Blush Bar, and then just some stickers from the kit and a swoosh from Panda Bird Design to mark the workout that I had this day. You'll see throughout this video that I went very simplistic and minimal with the stickers that I pulled in. I think the kit was just so beautiful that I wanted it to like stand on its own and not pull in too much else. And I I think this is a situation where the overall spread really would have benefited from some extra floral deco. Like you see where I used like a layering circle behind the dumbbell, I would have loved to pull in like a big floral behind there, but I just didn't have enough from the like, because Miss and Meow, she has changed this or like in her most recent releases, but in the past she had just a very small deco sheet that was a freebie, um, which was great, but it just isn't enough floral deco for like an entire spread. So I really had to be like really sparingly. I really had to be quite like mindful of like using that just because I knew I didn't have a lot of it. But yeah, anyway, all that to say that I just wish I had some more floral deco for this spread. I think it would have came out like way, way, way prettier if I did, but I didn't, so I had to use like a bunch of the like layering circles or like layering shapes from the kit, which I don't love so much anymore. Or I just like kind of put icons by themselves. So the overall spread came out like super super white spacey, and you'll see actually at the very end that I come back in once I'm done with the spread and just add some foil accents here and there just to make it um, like less white spacey. But anyway, sorry, I totally skipped through the past 2 days. So anyway, Monday we just went to my boyfriend's parents' house for Memorial Day. We just had a barbecue there. They had some friends over, that type of thing. Tuesday was just like a normal day. On Wednesday, my boyfriend went to go see some friends, I'm assuming. I marked that he went to Jersey City, so I that has to be like the reason why he went there. But I just had a lazy, relaxing day to myself. So I just pulled in some deco from the kit, which I'm repositioning now. And then I just basically spent the night just hanging out by myself, watching the NBA playoffs as well as some grays. And I just pulled in another scallop circle from the kit, some deco, as well as a basketball sticker from Sticky Sloth Designs. Okay, on to Thursday. This is a scallop label from the kit, and then I just put some florals behind there. Archie was feeling a little sick this day, so I just wanted to mark that. And then here, let's see, I'm marking my workout, yeah, just with some deco from the kit. And sorry, I'm just like, I don't have my planner open in front of me, which I usually do when I am recording these voiceovers. So I'm kind of just like watching things happen in the playback and just commenting from there. So, okay, I pulled in a third box from the kit as well as a plant icon from the Pretty Pink Co. to mark that we had another landscaper delay. Honestly, this has been like the story of my life for the past few months. Is just delays and delays and delays and like issues, and I guess that just is normal for when you're doing work and stuff. But anyway, let me move on to Friday because this was the exciting day of the week. This was our 4-year anniversary. So I marked it very similar, actually, like almost identical to how I marked June in the sidebar. This was also when Summer Fridays started with my company. So with my company between Memorial Day and Labor Day, we're able to take every other Friday as a half day, which I love. So nice to have some summer hours. So to celebrate our anniversary, we went to our favorite all you can eat sushi place. It's called Sushi Palace. There are a few locations here in New Jersey, and I've been to like all of them, and they're all very good. So I pulled in what is that? That box, I forget what it's called, but it's from the Pretty Pink Co. and it's so good. It's like the perfect size. And it has such a thin, dainty foiled border. It is absolutely perfect. So I used that. I just paired it with some floral deco and then a sushi icon from Crafts by Towie to mark our dinner. And then after dinner, we did go to Surreal Creamery, which it's like just like a novelty ice cream shop, but they will, they have this like, what they're known for, I guess, is like swirling ice cream into bubble tea. So good. Super messy to eat, but it was really good. There was a long ass line though. I probably would never wait in that line ever again, but I think it was just great to just try it one time. And yeah, it was really yummy. Okay, Saturday, I can't see what happened the first half of the day, but we did go to we had some ice cream at my boyfriend's parents' house. And then after that, we went to my friend's divorce party. We were celebrating that her divorce was legal and final, and we were all very happy about that. So we just went to my friend's um, house and just had some drinks and just hung out like in the backyard and stuff and just caught up. It had been at this point almost a year since I had last seen them just because of obviously COVID. So it was just really nice to hang out with everyone and catch up. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. On Sunday, or let's see, on Saturday, I'm actually pulling up this purple box and switching it with a cream box. I just thought that was like, there was way too much purple in that area. So, and I had actually been like going back and forth between those two color boxes. So, ended up with the lighter color one on a Saturday. I'm kind of shifting things around right now, but I just did some errands, like not errands, but like chores, did some dishes and vacuuming, and then I also did a workout. Just fun stuff. That eyebrow slash eyelash sticker is from Lilac Luna Plans, as is the kettlebell that I'm using for my workout. I'm just noticing now that I never wrote in the workout, but no big deal. Just, another one of those like awesome boxes from the Pretty Pinko, and then I just like kind of had a chill day, so I pulled in that sofa chair icon from Planning World, and then we got some ramen for lunch. I'm so happy that we found like a really yummy ramen place like in our area. So yeah, I just pulled in a noodle bowl icon from Craft Spectacular. So that was the end of the spread, and you can see here that I'm going back in and just adding some foil accents here and there. This one is one of the lace dividers from Bloom Paper Studio. I also pulled in some dividers from the Pretty Pinko, but yeah, I just felt like there were a lot of areas that were a bit too white spacey for me, so I just wanted to add in some foil accents. These clusters here with the dots and the bows, those are from the Pretty Pinko. And I guess this is a good time to mention that I do have a code to the Pretty Pinko, as well as a few other shops that I mentioned today. So if you're interested in saving some money, you can just go and look in the description box for my coupon codes and stuff like that. So anyway, here is the final spread. Like I said earlier, it is super, super simple and minimal, and I think it came out really pretty, super, super white spacey. But yeah, I think the kit was just so stunning on its own that I just didn't want to overwhelm the spread. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.